Hi, Lily. How was the guitar audition today?
It was okay, Mom. But I'm a bit sad.
Oh? Did Mr. Owen say something?
He chose Chloe for the main solo part.
I'm sorry to hear that. Did you play well?
I played the notes, but I was too shy to look up.
Being shy is normal, honey. You have a good heart.
Chloe is so confident. She plays very loud and fast.
Does loud always mean better?
On stage, it feels like everyone only hears her. Hey, Lily. Good job today. Thanks, Chloe. Your solo sounded very powerful. Thanks. Mr. Owen said I have star energy. You do. I wish I was brave like you. You play well, but you are a bit too quiet. I just like the soft sounds of the strings. The audience wants to hear a star, not a whisper.
Every star has a different light, Chloe.
Oh, hello, Mrs. Stella. I'm just giving Lily some advice.
Advice is best when it helps others feel good. Well, I have to go practice my loud solo. Bye!
See, Mom? She is right. I am too quiet for the stage. Let's go inside. I want to show you something. Is it another music book?
No, it's about finding your own special voice.
Hello, Stella. Can I speak to Lily?
Of course, Mr. Owen. Here she is.
Lily, I liked your song today. But
But
it was hidden.
I was afraid everyone was judging me, teacher.
Music is not a test. It's a feeling.
Can I have another chance to show my feeling?
If you find your courage, I will give you a special part.
A special part?
Nine.
What is it?
We will see tomorrow. Just practice from your heart.
I will try, Mr. Owen. Thank you.
Oh, what did he say, honey?
He wants me to find my courage. But how?
Let's go to the attic. I have an old friend there.
An old friend? Who is it?
It's my very first guitar from 20 years ago. Open it, Lily. It's been waiting.
Wow. It smells like old wood and memories.
This is my soul guitar. It's very special.
It looks so simple. No bright colors like Chloe's.
Simple things often hold the deepest stories.
Did you play this when you were young?
Yes, and I was exactly like you. Very quiet.
Then how did you make people listen?
I didn't play for them. I played for the music itself.
What does that mean, Mom?
When you love the music, the fear goes away.
The sound is so warm and soft.
It's because the wood is seasoned with many years of love.
Can I use this for the school show?
Yes, if you promise to be honest with every note.
I promise. I want to tell my own story.
Close your eyes. Forget the audience. Just feel the strings.
I hear a melody. It's like a quiet river.
Play it for me. Don't be afraid.
Lily? Is that you? Hi, Chloe. I'm just practicing a new song. That sounds different. It's not loud at all. It's a quiet story, Chloe. Do you like it? It's actually very pretty. My fast music feels a bit empty now. Really? But your music is so exciting. Sometimes I play fast because I'm nervous too.
Maybe you two can practice together.
Together? But we have different styles.
A song is like a conversation between two friends.
I'm not sure. Mr. Owen chose me for the solo. Please, Chloe, let's try to combine our sounds. Okay, just for 5 minutes. Show me your rhythm. Follow me. It's slow, like a heartbeat. This is hard, but very relaxing.
Just breathe with the music. It's our friend.
You are much better than I thought, Lily.
You both have amazing talent.
I feel a little bit more brave now. See you tomorrow at the rehearsal.
Everyone, positions please. Rehearsal starts now.
I am ready. Watch my fast solo, Mr. Owen.
Good energy, Chloe.
Yeah.
Lily, are you ready?
I am here, Mr. Owen. I have my mom's guitar.
It looks very old. Can it still play?
It plays with its soul, teacher. Good luck, Lily. You can do it.
Okay, Lily. Show me your feeling.
She is doing it.
Stop.
Was it too quiet?
No. It was perfect. It was honest.
Teacher, can we try something new?
What is your idea, Chloe?
Lily taught me a soft melody. Can we play together?
A duet? That is a wonderful idea.
You wanna play with me, Chloe? Yes. Your moon music and my sun music.
Exactly. We will call it the sun and the moon.
That is a beautiful name for a song.
Lily, you start slowly, and I will come in later. Okay. Let's create a beautiful story together.
Music is about sharing, not just winning.
I'm sorry I was a bit mean before. It's okay. We are friends now.
Let's practice the finale. Sun and moon together.
Oh, I'm not afraid of the eyes anymore.
You are shining, Lily.
Your guitar sounds like magic, partner. It's the love from my mom.
One more time, from the beginning.
1, 2, 3, go!
I am so proud of both of them.
This will be the best show ever.
I love playing with you, Chloe. Me too. Your music makes me feel calm.
Tomorrow is the big night. Rest well.
I'm ready for tomorrow.
The theater is full of people tonight. I can see Dad in the front row. He is so excited to see you play.
My heart is beating fast, but I'm okay. Lily, my hands are shaking. Help me. It's okay, Chloe. Remember our heartbeat rhythm.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
We are a team. We are the sun and the moon. You are the brave one now, Lily.
1 minute to go. Good luck, girls.
I'm ready to tell my story.
And now, a special performance by Chloe and Lily.
The lights are shining bright tonight, a magical and
That was amazing. Well done, girls. Tonight, the Best Harmony Award goes to Chloe and Lily.
We did it, Chloe.
I am so proud of you both.
We won together. Mom, the soul guitar really is magic. The magic was always inside you, Lily. Mrs. Stella, thank you for the advice yesterday.
You are welcome, Chloe. You are a great friend.
You showed everyone that quiet music is powerful.
I learned that I can be myself on stage. And I learned that playing together is more fun.
Let's go celebrate! Pizza for everyone?
Yes! And ice cream, too! Can I come too?
Of course, Chloe. You are part of the family now.
I'm coming too. I'm very hungry.
Is my guitar famous now, Mom?
It's not famous, but it is very happy.
I'm not a mouse anymore, right, Chloe? No, you are a moon star. And you are my son. Chloe?